This November, in honor of Patient Blood Management Awareness Week, Let's Talk Patient Blood Management is doing something a little different. In addition to their monthly podcast, the Let's Talk team has turned their passion for PBM into something creative, a 5-song album that captures the heart of the movement. Today, we sit down with Sarah to explore the stories, sounds, and inspiration behind the project, and to learn how music became their newest tool for change. Sarah, using music is such a unique way to raise awareness for PBM. What inspired you to create an album in honor of Patient Blood Management Awareness Week?
The Let's Talk Patient Blood Management podcast team is always looking for innovative and creative ways to get the message out. Patient blood management needs to become a standard of care. And we know we have to be engaging to do this. And when we think about things that we remember, music is often involved. And so we thought, what a great way then to create a snappy tune. And so that's exactly what we did.
Can you tell us the name of the album?
Yeah, we're really proud of the name of the album. It's called Your Blood, Your Health. And it really is celebrating our new tag phrase. We have been mulling for several years on just the right tag phrase for us. And in patient blood management, the term blood health is thrown around a lot. And it encompasses a need for us to be in tune with our blood health. We like it involved as a statement because it really empowers the patient. So our new tag phrase and the title to our album is Your Blood, Your Health.
Why did you choose to release an entire album instead of just a single or short theme song?
Well, we decided to celebrate our new tag phrase along with PBM Awareness Week. And that's a whole week of education and awareness around patient blood management. Patient blood management has 3 foundational pillars that we would want to discuss. And also we wanted to celebrate the people who are driving patient blood management as a standard of care. And lastly, of course, we wanted to really celebrate our new tag phrase. And so it was just natural that 5 songs needed to be created.
Let's talk about the songs. What's the track list, and what does each song represent to you?
So we're really excited about the first release, A Paradigm Shift, because that's exactly what patient blood management is. It is a cultural shift from using donor blood to patient blood management and patient-centered care as the standard of care when it comes to our blood. And this means a big cultural change in medicine where we involve the patient in their own healthcare decisions and deciding when to best optimize a patient's blood by using alternate therapies and when it's time to actually use donor blood. Iron deficiency blues really starts to talk about some of the symptoms around iron deficiency that we may not be directly understanding is a symptom of anemia. It also encourages patients to take serious care and to advocate for investigation of their iron and their anemia. Iron and Grace really talks about the special challenges that women face and encourages women to take care of themselves by being willing to open up and discuss even delicate issues and to advocate for taking care of your own blood health, making sure there's proper investigation, and making sure that you're accepting the right treatments so that these long-term symptoms aren't with you several years. Your Blood, Your Health really talks about when you are faced with a medical crisis. Sometimes it's so easy to allow surgeons or clinicians to set your therapy plan for you, but this song encourages you to have the in-depth discussion. Make sure that you understand how your blood works and you're educated so you can ask the right questions and be involved in your decisions. Because ultimately, the outcome of your surgery, you will live with that outcome. So you don't want other people making your healthcare decisions for you. You want to be involved in that.
The 5th and final song seems to have everyone excited. Can you share what makes it so special?
We're really excited about the Blood Guardian song that we'll be releasing on the last day of the campaign. It really is a call to arms and an anthem to drive patient blood management as a standard of care in healthcare. And we're hoping that people really enjoy how it celebrates the multidisciplinary aspect of taking care of our patient's blood health. And that care team does include the patient. That will be a very special release.
You've also mentioned a social media challenge connected to the album release. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, we're hoping that people don't just listen to these songs just one time, but that they really incorporate them into their own practice. We're hoping they'll be able to access and download these songs. And we're hoping that they will get involved and make their own anthems, create their own social media clips with these songs, and spread the word as much as they can.
What a fun and engaging way to spread awareness. What do you hope people take away from the album?
We are really hoping that our hard work on this year's Patient Blood Management Awareness campaign ignites and empowers patients to get more and more involved in their blood health. We would love to hear from patients to see how they are impacted by the campaign. Also, we would love to know the patient experience, the stories that they have had regarding their blood or transfusion in medicine, where they're confused, where they have had triumphs along with challenges. We'd love to hear their stories, and we invite them to use our podcast, our platform as a voice in the community and to advocate for better management of blood.
The Let's Talk Patient Blood Management team will drop a new song every day during Patient Blood Management Awareness Week, starting Monday, November 3rd. Look for a new song every day this week and the complete album on Friday, November 7th. Follow Let's Talk Patient Blood Management on YouTube and all major platforms to hear each song as it drops. Let them know which one is your favorite track.